morning, dear children. How are you all? Staying home and stay safely. The last class we studied time, railway time, conversion of time, addition and subtraction. In this class, I will explain information processing. We are gather information daily. For example, information processing, learn to count, compare, and assume information such as invite coming to attend birthday party, sort out library books and collect the colors and collect your preference name, etc. So every day we are gather the information in our daily life. Next, systematic listing. Say this children, number puzzle is considered to be one of the unique game in mathematics. So number puzzle is one of the unique game in mathematics. Say this children, choose any number. So choose any number. So I chose 8. So 8. Second step, add the next number to this. So add the next number. So 8 is the next number, is a 9. So 8 plus 9. So 8 next number is what? 9. So 8 plus 9 is what? 17. Next, then add 9. Again add 9. So 17 plus 9. So 17 plus 9 is what, children? Is a 26. Next step, divide by 2. Divide by 26 divided by 2. Therefore, 26 divided by 2. So this is a 1 time, this is a 3 time. So 13. So 26 divided by 2, 13. Next step, add then subtract the assumed number. So here what is the assumed number? So assumed number is 8. So subtract the number. So 13 minus assumed number is what? 8. So 13 minus 8 is what? 5. So 13 minus 8, 5. So answer is 5 for common to all. So any number you take, then you get the answer is 5. Suppose you take any number, then following the steps, get the answer is 5. Are you clear, children? These children, next one, Sudoku. Fill the suitable number in this box. Here 3 into 3 by 3 boxes here given. See this, children. Here we are using the numbers 1 to 9. It's a 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, then 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So we are using the numbers 1 to 9. See this, children. See the first row. Here 1 and 3 is given. In between the number is missing. So what is missing number? Is a 2. Okay, very good. So 2. So 1, 2, 3. See this next row. Here what is the missing number? 3 after is a 4. Then 5 is given. Then here missing. So what is the 5 after number? Is a 6. See this third row, children. Is it 7 and 8 here given. Here missing number is what? 8 after is what? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you understood, children? Next sum, children. Same thing. Fill the suitable number in box. See this, children. This also 3 by 3 boxes given. See this box, children. Say 3 rows, then 3 columns. See this box, children, is given number 1, 2, 3, 1. Say repeated 1, 1. So we are using the numbers 1, 2, 3. So see the first row children. Here given 1 and 2. So what is the missing number? Here using the numbers, we are using the numbers 1, 2, 3. So here missing the numbers is what? Say 3. Say 3. Next, see the first column children. Here given 1 and 3. So what is the missing number? Is there using 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3 here given. So missing number is what? 2. Is that 2. Next, see the last column. So 2 and 1 is given. So what is the missing number? 2, 1 is given. So missing number is what? 3. So 3. Now see the second row. 2 and 3 we write. So what is the missing number? 2 and 3 is it right? So missing number is what? 1. Very good. See the last row children. Say 3 and 1 given. So missing number is what? 3 and 1 is given. So missing number is 2. So 1, 2, 3. We are using the numbers. This box is 1, 2, 3. Next, see the children, graphical representation of data. So what is the data collection? So data collection is a collection of numbers, words, then pictures, observation, etc. For example, collect your first term marks, then collect your student age in your class, then collect your staff name list in your school, the number of students playing different sports in your school. Next, collection of two-dimensional data. The easy method to calculate the collector two-dimensional information and represent any pictures. Let's see the example children. At home the fridge contains the following. The vegetables and fruits are our data. Now first arrange the apple. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 apples. Next banana. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bananas. Next tomatoes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next potatoes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 potatoes. At home the fridge contains the following. Vegetables and fruits are our data. So answer the following questions. First one, how many apples are there in the fridge children? How many apples? 6 apples. Very good. 6 apples. Next question. How many bananas are there in it? How many bananas? 4. Okay, very good. 4 bananas. Next, how many tomatoes can you see in the fridge? How many tomatoes? 8 tomatoes. So 8 tomato. 8 tomatoes. Next, how many potatoes are there in it? How many potatoes? 7. Very good. 7 potatoes. Next, find the total number of pictures. So find the total number. So first is apple is how many? So 6 apples plus 4 bananas plus 8 tomatoes plus 7 potatoes. Now add children. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 8 plus 7, 25. Therefore, total number of pictures is how many? Is 25. Next, see the example children. In a sports day celebration, the 5th standard students were given a competition of collecting mathematical shapes. So here given mathematical shapes. Let's count the shapes, children. Here given triangle, then circle, then rectangle, then square. So 4 shapes here given. So first count the triangle, children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then 14. Therefore, the triangle shapes is 14. Next, count the rectangle shapes, children. This is a rectangle. So 1, 2. This is also rectangle. 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So rectangle shapes is 11. Next, count the circle, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Therefore, the circle shapes is 13. Next, count the square. The 1, then 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the square shapes is 4. Next, pictograph. See the children, a pictogram is the representation of data using pictures. So, pictograph means representation of data using pictures. So, pictograph represent the frequency of using symbols. Symbols means arrow, flash, then stars, images, pictures relevant to the data. It's a pictograph. Are you understood, children? Next, see the example, children. This is a information collected from 115 students about their favorite subjects. Make a pictograph based on it. Make a pictograph. So you take any pictures or symbols, that is your risk. So I take smiley. This is a smiley. See the children, the subject, number of students. Tamil subject is a 25. English is a 20. Maths 30. Science 25. Social science 15. 25 pictures to draw is difficult, no? So I take one smiley is represented by 5 students. So one smiley is represented by 5 students. See this, children. First subject is what? This is a Tamil subject. This is a 25. So one smiley is a 5 means 1 to divide, no? So 25 divided by 5. So how many times? The 5 times. So Tamil subject, how many smiles want to draw? See the children, 5 smileys. Tamil subject, 5 smileys. So see the children, this is a Tamil subject. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 smileys want to draw. Next, see the children, English. English is a 20. So one smiley is represented by 5 students. So want to divide it by 20 divided by 5. So how many times? The 4 times. So English is a how many pictures want to draw? This is a 4 smiley want to draw. Say the children. English 1, 2, 3, 4. So want to draw 4 smileys. Next, maths. Maths is a 30. So same thing, 30 divided by 5. See this children. So 30 divided by 5. Is it 6 now? So 6 times 6 into 5. So 30. So maths is a 6 smileys want to draw. See this children. Maths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 smileys want to draw. Next, science. Science is given 25. So 25 divided by 5 is what? 5 smileys. So 5 smileys want to draw science subject. See the children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So science subject 5 smileys want to draw. Next, social science. Social science is given 15 students. So 15 divided by 5 is what? So 3 times no. So 3 smileys want to draw social science. See the children. Social science. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 smileys want to draw. This is a pictograph. Next, see the children. Graphical representation or data. See, any collection of information in the form of numerical figures. Numerical figures giving the required information is called data. Here, using numerical figures. What is numerical? Is a 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Next, numerical figure means we are using the tally marks. So what is the tally marks? Tally marks means a vertical line. Vertical line means this is a vertical line which is marked against each item. So each item marked the vertical line. Falling in the variable or class is called tally marks. So tally marks means what? This is a vertical line. Let's see the example children. Information was collected by Balu from 20 students of class 5 regarding their favorite snacks. Here 20 students are given, then 20 snacks. See the children, so how to count? It's very difficult, no? So we are using the tally marks. So first is a given chocolate, then cake, biscuit, chocolate, then banana, biscuit, chocolate. Then apple, chocolate, cake, banana, chocolate, apple, chocolate. So first, see the children, this is a number of snacks. So first count the chocolate. See the children, so 1, 2, 3. So we are using the tally marks now. So 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So 5 is, this is a vertical line. So 4 vertical line is a tally marks. 5 means, so cross this 4 vertical lines. Next, so 5, then 6, 7, then 8, 9. So how many times? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of the students in chocolate is how many? Is it 9 students. Next, count the cake. So 1. So put the vertical line. Then 1. Next, see the children. The 2. Then 2. Then 3. So 3 cake. So 3. So 3 cake. Next biscuit. Count the biscuit children. The 1. So put 1 vertical line. Then 2, 3, 4. So 4. So 4 biscuit. So 4 students got biscuit. Then apple. So how many apples? So 1, 2. So 1, 2. So 2. Next banana. So 1, then 2. So 1, 2. Now count the students children. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. So number of the students is 20. Next, bar graph. A bar graph is a chart that uses bars to show comparisons between categories of data. The bars can either horizontal or vertical. See this children. This is a chart, bar graph chart. Comparisons between two categories. So comparisons between two categories. This is a horizontal. This is a vertical. So using horizontal wise or vertical wise using the bar graph. Next, let's see the example children. The number of things sold in a month, January, in a particular shop is shown below. Draw a bar graph. First, home applying things here given. Number of things sold. So first one, refrigerator 75, then television 45, washing machine 30, cooler 60, radio 30. Now draw the bar graph children. So this is a bar graph. So first draw horizontal line x-axis. Next draw a vertical line. This is a y-axis. Now mark the points children. This is here given 75, 40, 30, 60, 30 no. So we take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So take 10, 10, 10. Next, first draw the refrigerator. Is a 75 no. So 75. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 75 is what? 70 and 80 in between number is 75. So 75. Next, television is a 45. So 10, 20, 30, 40. So 45. So 40 and 50 in between number is 45. Next, washing machine 30. So 10, 20, 30. Next, cooler is a 60. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then radio is a 30. So 10, 20, 30. So this is a bar graph children. Are you understood? Today we studied systematic listing, collection of data, then pictograph, bar graph. This unit over children. Are you understood? Okay. Thank you.